We're back again. We're on the first floor today. So we've already been doing some boarding. We've got the ceiling done, them walls there. And we're just working our way into this room here. We've got all this to finish. This is we're going to start the ceiling now, board out walls. When you plasterboard your ceilings, is mark up where all your joints, centre of all your joints, so you know where they are. You're not going to be able to see them once you get that plasterboard up. So make sure they're all that before you even start.
Nobody's so clean.
Right, what do you like for centre?
Bob on.
Yeah?
Yeah, Bob on.
Right, dropping Josh.
Put it a bit this way, Josh. Oh. Squeeze. Oh, look.
So, electrician's got these and I think he's forgot to put them in. This is socket wire. I think it joins up to that ring down there. This one here, this is another socket with the look of it. And then there's one we've got on this light, which just stops there, but I'm pretty sure that goes back to join this ring up. And then that needs putting in. Better sort them out for a board. Back down, back. Last one. Let me know what I should charge you for that. 5,000. So I always like to put lines on with a pencil then nobody misses. Last one on the ceiling.
Someone not right there, Bob.
Just a bit tight.
Yeah.
Grab that cable off him, Josh. It's feeding it through to you, look, this side. Right, get out of the way, Tim.
Pull. That's alright.
Yeah, Tim, Josh will pull while I put it in, yeah.
Very grab all my fingers up. Morning. Yes.
So these, I think, internet cables, but they don't know where they are, that's why they haven't been took down, so we're just going to cut an hole through so they know where they're going to go. So we'll do it 500i, I'll just go centre, so we'll do 300 in. I'll just put an hole in and we can I can pull them through later. The other wires, so the socket boxes, they just get cut in afterwards. So they'll cut them in and they'll just put their hand in and drag it. But these, I don't know what's happening with them properly, so I'm just going to pull these ones through just to make sure they know where they are. Yeah. Here, let me just show them this end. So these are pretty cool. £3.60 for two from Screwfix. So if you have a look at them, they've got a posi drive to fit the drywall screws, and they've got this ring round. And what this ring does is it stops it going too far into the wall, and it just leaves them. See, just a little bit under, and it's perfect for plasterers, so they're not complaining about you going too deep or leaving them out. That's the worst thing you can do for a plasterer is leave screws out, because it can damage the trowel and they will not be happy. Do you want to, I'll show them how easy it is. So Josh, he hasn't been using drills long, and this is pretty much easy stuff, because all you do is you just pull the trigger and it just kicks it off when it gets down. So there, it just kicks it off, and then it's all good. And then it's perfect every time. They're really worth buying. They last quite a long time. I've only just bought these from the last lot. I've had about 3-4 years, depending. I mean, I don't know a lot of plastering, boarding, so they'll last a bit less if you're going to be doing it. But I suppose if you're going to be doing it all the time, you're probably just going to have an automatic gun. But because we do it the odd time, these things are brilliant. So there, look, universal fit, £3.60 the one for two from Screwfix. So these door frames I've just put in slack, so that none of them are screwed in, but we did this before we measured. So these doors are 32, and as you come through here, that were a 32, but it didn't work out for stud walling, so I've had to bring this one down to a 30 door. Otherwise, we wouldn't have got archy on either side. So I need to sort that bit out. Look at that, planned for that 2-inch, 2 before there. Honestly. Yep. Need a bit of luck sometimes. Right, so we're going to start sticking the boards on this side. We're going to leave this side off because we might board the back of the shower. That's the shower room. And then the plumber can work from the back, getting his pipes level. So if we board the other side of it, he'll be able to put them through there. Then we'll put this board on afterwards. So you want your mix sort of like this, and then it don't fall off your trowel. That's how you want it. If it don't fall off your trowel, you know you're good. Your board's going to stick. Right, cutting socket boxes out, you can either measure them, or if you tuck your wires in, this is the easiest way, I think, if you can do it. Get your board, put your board where it's going to be, piece of wood, and you mallet, and then just tap lightly. Feel what it is. Then flip your board round, and you should have a socket like there. Can you just see it? So you can see the outline of it just going round there. Then get your saw, and you want to be this side at line. So the outside at line, don't cut up line, because you want to give yourself a bit of room. Just cut other side at line. Try it back in before you stick it on. Just make sure it's going to go. And there you go. Measure what you got. I'll measure it first then. So that's it for this one. We're going to leave this board off so he can get his pipes in, because I think what we're going to do is we're going to board the back of it and we can get on, and then while we're waiting for everything being plastered and stuff, we could actually do all tiling and everything in there, which makes sense, so we can carry on working. But yeah, any eagle-eyed joiners out there will notice that these are 600, not 400 centres. We've done it this way because we knew we were going to be putting big chunks in. This is what radiator to screw onto, and I think the aqua board's in there. I'm pretty sure the 600 by 1200 high, not 1.2. So we figured to just leave it at that, and then if we're wrong, we'll probably just end up putting a couple in middle if we need to. That side we're needing 600s, but that's all bolted to the. This is all bolted to stonework behind, so this is all solid. And then this one I kept at 600 because it's got a massive box on the side of it, on it all. But as you go through here, what we'll do is we'll make sure these are 400 centres, and this is going to be fireboarded front and back. And we'll make sure all this wall is really strong, because it's going to have handrails and stuff like that going upstairs. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this one. A bit of plasterboarding, show you how we do it. If there's any pros out there that do a bit of plasterboarding and have got a few tips for me, leave them in the comments, because I'm still willing to learn if it saves me a bit of time. But yeah, that's it. I think next week we're going to be downstairs. We'll sort that concrete floor out, ready for plumbing needs to come in. We need to get Kingspan down. We need to get this screen on, and plumber can get his heating pipes in for underfloor heating, because he's having underfloor heating in. And then we can put liquid screeds going on top, 75mm liquid screed. So that should be good fun. but the screed won't be coming well later, so we might do a video and then show the screed after. Anyways, see you in the next one.